Chapter 13. Roots, the foundations of plants. Do you know about the different parts of a plant? It is mainly divided into the root system and the shoot system. The root system includes the roots that are mainly of two types, namely taproot and fibrous root. The shoot system includes leaves that are known as the kitchen of the plant, stem that provides support to the plant, and flowers that is the colorful part of the plant. Let us learn about the detail of the parts of plant in this chapter. So, let us read how is it explained in our book. The part of the plant that is above the ground is called shoot system, and the part of the plant that is under the ground is called root system. We all need food to live. Similarly, plants also need food to survive and grow. Plants make their food on their own. They take in water and minerals from the soil through their roots. The water travels up the stem, and from the stem it travels to leaves. The leaves contain a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. With the help of sunlight, chlorophyll changes water into food. So, the function of the root is to provide water to the plant so that the latter could make its food. Another function of the root is to hold the plant firmly to the ground. Roots branch out under the ground. These spread out roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. This is what prevents them from being uprooted during storms. Roots prevent soil erosion because they bind soil particles. Soil erosion means blowing away of the topsoil due to wind or water. Interesting fact: the process by which plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and with the help of water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Types of root. Roots are of two types: taproot, fibrous root. Number 1. Taproot. Go to a nursery and ask its owner to show you the roots of carrot and radish plants. What do you observe about these roots? They have one main thick root called taproot, which goes vertically down the soil. Further, many hair-like roots come out of the main root. Example of taproots are carrots, radish and pea. Fibrous root. Now ask him to show you the roots of maize and onions plants. They have a number of roots that branch out from the end of the stem. They spread out in the soil. The examples of fibrous roots are wheat, rice, maize, onion and grass. Functions of roots. Roots perform many important functions. They fix the plant to the soil firmly. They absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them on the stem. Some roots like carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip store food. We eat these roots as part of our food. Roots with special functions. Food storing roots. Storing roots of few plants store extra food which is made by the plants. This food is in the form of starch and is used at the time of need. Examples of such roots are beetroot, turnip, carrot, yam, tapioca, etc. Water storing roots. Such roots store water and make it easy for plants to survive long and dry months of summer. For example, pumpkin and gourd. Propagating roots. In few plants, buds are produced along the roots of plants. Such roots are called propagative roots. These buds can grow into new independent plants. For examples, cherry and strawberry. Breathing roots. Plants that grow in marshy areas have breathing roots. In such places, soil is waterlogged, so roots grow above the soil for breathing. For example, mangrove. Aerial roots. Some plants, like banyan, send down the roots from their branches to the ground. These roots are called aerial roots. These roots are not covered by soil. Buttress roots. In tropical rainforest, soil is poor, so roots do not go deep inside. These roots support the plant and help it to take in more nutrients. Leaves. The leaves are the most important part of the plant. Look at the leaf carefully. The flat, broad part of the leaf is called lamina or blade. It is attached to the stem through a thin stalk. There is a white tube in its middle called main vein. Several thin veins come out from the main vein. These are called side veins. The leaf gets water and minerals through the veins. The leaf has many teeny pores on its both surfaces, but more on the lower surface. These pores are called stomata. The leaves take in the air through stomata for breathing. Functions of leaves. All green leaves contain a substance called chlorophyll. The leaves make food using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Since leaves make food for the plant, they are called kitchen of the plant. This process of food making in plants is called photosynthesis. The leaves give out excess water through stomata. The leaves of some plants like spinach, mint and cabbage store food. We eat such leaves as part of our food. Flower. Flowers are the most colorful parts of a plant. Some plants have a single flower, others have so many that we cannot count them. Flowers may look different in shape, size and color, but plants produce them for some purposes to make fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds. Some flowers change into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have a single seed and some others have many seeds. A seed grows into a plant. A seed has a covering all around it. It is called seed coat. It contains a baby plant inside it. When the seed gets enough water, air and warmth, it starts growing. In a few days, the seed grows into a new plant. Keywords: firmly, strongly, chlorophyll, green, lamia, flat part of a leaf substance in leaves. Stomata, small pores on a leaf. Now children, let us revise what we learned in this chapter. Now I know. The part of the plant that are above the garden, like leaves, flowers, fruits, stem, etc., are shoot, and the part of the plant under the ground is called root. Taproots and fibrous roots are the two main kinds of root. The shoot has a stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem carries water and food to different parts of the plants. The leaves make food for the plant. A seed grows into a plant when it gets enough water, air and warmth.